In this video, we mod a brand new 2022 Bronco. And the next time you borrow the like button's car, right before you give it back to him, don't forget to put gas in it if it's diesel, and diesel in it if it's gas. Alright, we're gonna go get SP and Owl, go over the details of the build. Alright, we're gonna have a meeting. We're gonna go over a project that we just got. When you get a minute, we're gonna have a meeting on this project. You all set?
All good.
We got a new build. It's a 2022 Bronco. We're gonna do some mods on it. So I just got off the phone with him, and this is the list. We're gonna do wheels and tires. The tires are gonna be 33 by 12.5. Wheels are gonna be 22 by 10s. They're fuel wheels, pretty aggressive. A 2-inch rough country lift. Also a rough country light extension for the spare tire. We're gonna delete the pinch weld that you can see on all these models. It makes them look horrible. We're gonna rebadge it, put some retro badges, door sills. That way when they get in and out, they don't scuff up the paint. A light bar between the grille and the bumper. Square fog lights instead of the round ones. And we're gonna do the LED backlit Bronco letters in the front. So, what do you want to do?
I'll do the badges and the door seal.
Wheels, spacer, and control.
And I'll take the lighting and the wiring, and I'll just help out anywhere in between. All right, cool, let's get it done. The reason why we're playing with this doll is because the first person that sees this in the video, where it's hidden somewhere in the background, calls out the timestamp, will have their comment posted to the top of the comment section. And whoever drops this is supposed to go first with their job and with the camera, being on camera. So I think that we should probably turn it up, get it more violent with it.
So like I said, I'm doing the emblems, and I'm pretty much using this heat gun. I'm gonna warm it up, remove it, clean it down, measure where to put the new emblems, and this is it. My job is done. I debadged it, put on the new retro metal badge, did the scuff plates, and on to the next project.
So now I'm gonna remove the step rails. These are 2-inch rough country strut spacers. This is gonna go on top. These studs right here replace the factory studs. Some people don't know this, but at the bottom when you first put these through, it's gonna poke out a little bit. You're supposed to kind of hand thread them through. I take a socket, kind of push it through. You can see this one is a little bit protruding. This one is flush.
Now we're going to start installing the light bar and the fog lights, and also the Bronco letters, backlit and LED. Lasfit fog lights are not going to work with the Bronco. They're just like your typical universal single mounting hole made to be bolted to a flat surface or a bumper. So these are not going to work for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually fab a custom bracket out of flat steel bar. And I'm going to mimic the factory fog light. I'm going to make a bracket that uses the factory mounting holes. And then we're just going to attach it to the square light so it goes right into the hole.
Now we got the wheels and tires mounted and balanced. Let's get them installed.
Bronco's all set, ready to go. It's got its facelift. To recap, we did the 2-inch rough country lifts. The wheels were 22 fuel wheels. They were wrapped in the Nitto Grapplers, which was 33 by 12.5. The spare tire, we used the rough country brake light extender. For the light bar, they were 30-inch LED Lasfit. The fog lights were 3-inch Lasfit. The backlit Bronco lighting, they were made by Oracle Lighting. We also installed the customized Scuff plates. We did the debadging and we put 10-inch retro metal badges. We also did that pinch weld delete. I hope the customer likes this vehicle. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please hit the subscribe and like button.